DoorDash.
I'm not gonna get off. I'm just running to Taco Bell real quick.
Alright, if you like don't leave the game, you'll stay in here.
Who the fuck's that? In supplies
Russian,
up
Russian,
there?
Russian, Russian,
Get out,
Russian.
Get out.
Hold on, I'm hitting the fucking. He's knocked out.
Move up, y'all move up. I'm in the truck. I'll eat it.
Umrika Sven Suka. Umrika Sven Suka.
Don't kill him.
Oh, what you mean don't kill him? This guy's my fucking prisoner. Umrika Sven Suka. I know you don't. You fucking. Hey, bro, you move. You move, bro. Hey, hey, bro, we don't take Russians.
Oh, goddamn.
Bro, it's not fucking around. Get in.
I took his fucking RPG. Fuck that guy.
Yeah, fuck him. I'll let y'all have the RPG. Since y'all wanted to have fun with him.
Preston, unlock the car, bitch.